Hey beautiful people, what's up? In this very quick tutorial, we want to understand that why exactly IT software companies in India and other territories are suffering to generate leads or inquiries. Why exactly these web development companies or let's say, managed service providers, why exactly they are suffering and facing a lot of hurdle in getting business, right? So let us understand where exactly is the hurdle. If you are an IT service professional, or if you are into IT sales, or if you are into technology sales, or if you are running a web development or a custom web application service company or a software as a service development company, then this particular content is for you. Right. In my entire journey of coaching and consulting, I have met so many IT software development founders and CEOs and senior sales professionals, those who have a common problem that they are facing a lot of competition when it comes to acquiring client. What exactly is the problem? Now let us understand everything from the fundamentals. Now tell me why exactly somebody hires an IT or a software development company, or why a company actually hires a software as a service as a platform for their operations? Because they need some change. They want to change something. Now it's not only about any organization. Why somebody actually pays money to a solution or a product? Because they want to change something, right? And the change is from a point A to the point B. Point A is the current stage, which I say the stage of the problem, and current B is the stage which is the goal stage, we say it's the stage of the solution. And from point A to point B, so as to bring in certain change in their organization, most of the time they want to automate something. When it comes to hiring a software development company, be it a manufacturing firm or be it a technology firm, or be it let's say any sort of logistic industry, if they are planning to hire a software development company, they want to change something, and that change is around automation. They want to automate something, and so as to automate something, the major reason or the major goal why they want to automate something are divided into two different type of goals. The first goal that I would say, most of the time they want to gain some sort of competitive advantage, or they want to improve their operational efficiencies. So these are the two major goals that they want to achieve, right? They want to achieve. But the major reason is there are certain emotional goals also attached to these goals. Emotional goals, as in most of the time the emotional goals are either they want to save cost or they want to improve revenue. Let's say if somebody wants to improve their operational efficiency, they have to reduce their operational cost. They have to save certain cost. And if somebody wants to gain competitive advantage, that they want to get better business, they want to improve their sales, right? So the emotional goal that I would say that your client want to achieve, either they want to save cost or they want to improve revenue. So entire marketing messaging should be around that emotional goal. And so as to achieve that emotional goal, let's say for example, if I'm talking about they want to achieve an emotional goal of saving cost, they need to achieve certain goal. So as to achieve certain emotional goals, first of all they had to tick some sort of goals that they need to achieve and improve their operational efficiency. And there are certain hurdles also to operate in a better way to cut down their operational efficiency. It might be delayed turnaround time, it might be the load of manual work, it can be bad user experience, it might be a low level of transparency. There are multiple hurdles that is actually stopping them from achieving their goal, that is improving their operational efficiency, that is eventually is a big hurdle in achieving their emotional goals as well, that is saving cost. So this is where you need to understand, when you completely figure out what exactly are the emotional goals, what are the goals, what are the hurdles, when you work on the ideal customer profile of your customer, you will figure out these three parameters: the goals, the emotional goals, and what are the hurdles that is stopping them from reaching from point A to point B. That means that is helping them, that is stopping them to reach from a problem phase to a goal stage, that we say to save cost or to improve revenue. This is where your marketing positioning comes into picture. You should be very, very clear with your messaging that how exactly you are helping your customers generate result. No matter if you're a software development company or a SaaS company. The moment your customer stumbles upon your message for the very first time, that particular fellow should be 200% sure that how you can solve their problem in a quantified way. So this is where you affix your unique value proposition. Once your unique value proposition is affixed, you say that you have a clarity on your messaging. And once you have a clarity on your messaging, you will cut through the noise and you will attract your clients. The bigger problem today is, today you position yourself as a general web development organization. We are a web development organization, and most of the time your messaging will be like, I convert ideas into reality and so on and so forth. You need to understand these are just basic funda stories. Your customer is not going to resonate with all these statements that we transfer ideas into stories, we modernize your systems. Yeah, that looks good when it comes to copy. It kind of adds sort of qualitative touch, but so as to make sure that somebody take action on your copy or action on your message, you have to make sure that your unique value proposition should be in a quantified way. How exactly we can do that? This is the template. I help you achieve your emotional goal without the main hurdle using our main solution. What exactly is the main solution? So let's say if there is an inventory management software development company, you can position yourself like, I help you save 20% of your operational cost. And what's the hurdle? Without any sort of manual work using our easy to use inventory management solution. So when your positioning is very, very clear, it becomes the context of your entire marketing messaging, be it on your social media, be it your content calendar, be it your direct messaging, or be it your offers that you run and promote on advertisements. Plus your team will be super solid clear that what exactly they are doing and how exactly their message will convey to their prospects. So as a founder or leader, first of all, you have to sit with your team and discuss who exactly are you targeting and how exactly you are solving their problem. First of all, build your ideal customer profile, then make that unique value proposition statement or that positioning statement so that you cut through. The first and foremost thing you need to understand that before you think of whether should I go out on LinkedIn and start marketing, or whether I should go on Upwork, or whether I should go and start cold emailing, work on the background first. Work on the back end. First of all, affix your go-to-market strategy, that is understanding your consumer and building that unique value proposition. Because if a lot of companies are saying the same thing, if I talk to 100 customers, 100 IT companies, everybody says that we are a software development company. When there are 100 software development companies saying the same thing, there is no unique differentiator. There is no differentiator, right? That means you will be hustled, you will be grinded in that competition, right? You will be grinded in that competition. That means you have to stand out with some sort of unique value proposition and differentiating yourself from by using a unique value proposition statement. Just like we help you cut down your 20% operational cost without any manual work using our inventory management solution. If you are an IT professional or into IT or software development company, if you are responsible for generating sales, inquiries, or into content marketing, if you like the video, please comment below. Let's brainstorm in the comment section. All the best. Before I sign out, let me tell you why AADME can help you to take a quantum leap in the digital marketing industry, can help you to build a successful digital marketing professional career, can help you to kickstart your freelancing or agency business as well. First of all, AADME provides the most advanced digital marketing and business leadership course under the sun. It's a 4.5 months of live commando level training, completely practically implemented program, completely live session, 4.5 months of live session where you absolutely learn from the scratch of marketing to the higher level industry use cases. That means everything around the concept of marketing. I think even IIM is unable to teach those skills to any of that students, right? It's completely in depth to the higher level industry, advanced level digital marketing. That includes complete AI in marketing, that includes complete lead generation, funnel, inbound marketing, outbound marketing, go-to-market strategies, webinar marketing, personal branding, and whatnot. Everything around marketing, around lead generation. Number 2, we teach you completely around the sales process. What is the documentation process? How exactly you can present your product? How to conduct a discovery call? How exactly you can go ahead and do a client follow-up? What are the proper effective onboarding techniques? How you can close a high-ticket deal? Everything around sales. Then comes delivery and fulfillment. How exactly you can manage a product that you can ensure quality of service is happening, right? How you can build a freelance team, how you can delegate work, how you can do a proper effective project management, right? Then comes performance marketing. How you can track the performance of the process and also people. How you can map the performance to the KPIs. How exactly you can make sure that the freelancers with whom you are working, to whom you are paying, how exactly they are growing with you. Everything around, plus most advanced topics like AI in marketing, artificial intelligence in marketing, and multiple 4.5 months of live sessions, guys, unlimited doubt clearing. That means even if you are in your office in non-class hours, you are practicing something, you are on our office desk, you are running a campaign, let's say tomorrow you have an interview you want to discuss, we are just one call away, right? We are just one call away. Apart from the live session, in non-session hours, that means if you're practicing your self-practice hours, self-learn hours, we clear your doubts. Number 3, it's a one-to-one consultation directly with me. If you have a startup idea, if you want to run a campaign, if you have to make a marketing strategy of a company, then you can connect with me one-to-one as well. 2 months of paid internship. That means if you are a job seeker, you want to gain practical exposure, what's happening in the industry, you get a chance to work with our agency team, where you will be directly working with our project team, you will be directly working with the team leaders, copywriters, project managers, campaign leaders, and understand how things work at a practical level. You will learn a lot of professionalism, plus you will be earning incentives as well. We have a largest library management system. That means, boys and girls, we have to understand that anything and everything that you are going to learn in the live class, you will be getting absolutely every recorded material on a live portal. It's a study material that we are giving in an auto upgradable way. That means anything and everything that improves or upgrades in the industry, you get the tutorial in future absolutely for free, right? That means one time enrollment, lifelong learning. Any new technology comes in, let's say for example Hotstar ads or AI led ads comes into picture, then definitely you are going to get every tutorial absolutely for free, because it's an auto upgradable program with a lifetime access. Thousands of success stories. Our success stories and testimonies will narrate the entire story, that how much of effort we put in your success. Go to YouTube channel of AADME official, visit our website, you will see that we have a plethora of success stories. Each and every student is so happy, 200% success rate people. Our mentees work with companies like Pepsi, Flipkart, Amazon, Group M and whatnot. Our students running marketing agencies, they make 1 crore revenue every single month. Freshers who are in their 20s, they also have the capacity after learning to earn around 6 figures every single month. 13 years we are in the industry, guys. We have been working in the industry in marketing services niche for multiple years. We are to 10 years we have experience. Then we thought of why not to help people. It is the reason AADME came into picture, right? There are a lot of other benefits, All that you need to do is click on the link below, download the syllabus and just compare AADME with anybody else. Because if you are smart, you are planning to invest here. It's not just investing on your brain, but you are investing in your future. You just cannot compromise here, right? You just cannot compromise. Click on the link below, go through the curriculum, talk to our student success manager. If you have any hurdle, if you have any objective, discuss. Let us collaborate. The next batch is starting soon. This is Alok Bhartiya signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.